Hello and welcome back. We have a question here. It says the figure below shows an arc ACB of a circle of radius 7 centimeter. AB is equals to 10 and AD is equals to BD, which is 9 centimeter. Calculate the area of the shaded region to the nearest centimeter squared. We've been told that AD and BD are equal. Therefore, if this is 9 centimeter, also this one here is 9 centimeter. Then we've been given this one here, length AB is 10. You just dot it like this. This length is 10. And therefore, we just need to show the center of this circle. This is the arc of the circle. Therefore, we can say let the center be here, which is center 0. If we join the center with point B and A, we'll have something like this. Therefore, the radius, this is the radius of this circle. If you were to draw the whole of it, therefore this is the 7 centimeter and this one here is 7 centimeter. If you drop a perpendicular line from the center towards any chord, it bisects that chord into two, because this is AB is the chord of is the chord inside that circle. Therefore, if I drop a perpendicular line, and therefore this one here will be 5 and this one here will be 5 centimeter. Now we are told to find the area of this shaded part. To get the area of the shaded part, we just need to get the area of this triangle, that is ABO. We minus the area of this segment ACB. We'll have found the area of the shaded region. But first of all, how do you get the area of this segment? We'll get the area of this sector, then we minus the area of this triangle. We get the area of this segment. After getting the area of this segment, we can get the area of this triangle, then we minus that segment. Let's begin. So the first thing we need to do, we need to get this angle here. Let's call it alpha. Now, when you're at this point, you want to see which trigonometric ratio relates. When you're here, this is opposite and this one is hypotenuse. If you check SOHCAHTOA, it is sin which relates opposite divided by hypotenuse. So when you're here, opposite is 5 and hypotenuse is 7. And therefore I'll say sin alpha is equals to opposite is 5 divided by hypotenuse, which is 7. This one will give you sin alpha is equals to 0.7143. To get alpha, we divide both sides by sin, and therefore we'll have alpha is equals to sin inverse of 0.7143. You can use your calculator and you'll get your alpha is 45.59 degrees. This is just alpha, but we need the whole of this angle. We can call it theta. Theta will be equals to, this angle is the same as this angle here. Therefore it will be 45.59 multiplied by 2, which will give us 91.18 degrees. This is this angle of this sector. The angle subtended by this sector is 91.18. After getting the angle of the sector, we can get the area of the sector. We say area is theta over 360 pi r squared. This will give us 91.18 divided by 360 times 22/7 times 7 times 7. If you do that one, area will be, if you use your calculator, you'll get area is 39.005 centimeters squared. This is the area of this sector here. Now we need to get the area of this triangle. We can get this height here. We can say this h is equals to the square root of, using Pythagoras theorem, this is the hypotenuse and this is the, maybe it can be a, so this will be 7 squared minus 5 squared. If you do that one, this one will be 49 minus 25, which is the square root of 24. This one you get as 4.899 centimeter. This is this height here. And then we can now use the formula of half base times height of finding the area of a triangle. We say area is equals to a half times the base. The base is from here to here, which is 10, times the height, which are found as 4.899. Therefore, this one simplified, we get 24.495. We have the area of this triangle and the area of this sector. What we just need to do now to get the area of this segment, because this is what we're interested in, the area of this segment, we say area of segment will be equals to 39.005 minus 24.495. This one gives us 14.51. This one here is now the area of this segment. To get the area of the shaded, we just now get the area of this triangle, we minus this segment, and we will have our answer. So therefore, this is the area of this segment. We need now to find the area of triangle ABD. This one here, this is the triangle A, B, and this is D. So this one is 9, 9, and this one is 10. Here we can use Hero's formula and say that area is equals to the square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. What is S? S is the perimeter of this triangle. We divide by 2. That will be 9 plus 9 plus 10. We divide by 2. And therefore our S will be, get it is 14. After getting S, we can now say that area is equals to square root of 14 into 14 minus 9, 14 minus 9, and 14 minus 10. This one will be the square root of 14 times 14 minus 9. We get it is 5 times 5 times 4. If you simplify this one, you're going to get the square root of 1400. And this one simplifies to, if you use your calculator, it is 37.42. This one here is the area of this triangle. We know the area of this segment. We have found it to be 14.51, and therefore the area of the shaded part, will be this value which is 37.42, which represents the area of this triangle minus the area of this segment that I've shaded with blue. Therefore, that will be 14.51, which we found here. And therefore, if you do that one, our answer will be 22.91. The question was, we give our answer to the nearest centimeter squared. And therefore, our answer will be 23 centimeters squared. And that is how we solve that question. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in our next lesson.